Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the week 4 our video session. I hope so students आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे. Students week 4 की point of view से there are certain learning objectives are the you can say there this one is the outline that we have to cover for this session for this we can say video session. So what is communication? Basically, this one is about, we can say from the starting point of view, this one is about communication. Like in the first three, you can say lesson plans, we have studied about communication. Still, it's going onward. This one is again about communication. What is communication? What's the process of communication? Business, business communication and its types, and 7 C's of communication. This is what we have to study from our this lecture point of view. Okay, now what is communication? You know very well what's the concept of communication. Communication is an exchange of ideas, feeling, or meaning between two or more persons. Again, it's the exchange of idea, exchange of feeling from one person to another person, from one point to another point. You know very well. So that is the concept of communication. Next one is about business communication. Business communication is the process of sharing information between people within and outside the company. Again, it's the business communication when we have to communicate from, you can say, within the organization and outside the organization, like with the customer, supplier, dealers, clients, customers, and so on. So that can be the business communication. Like this one is through emails, written reports, presentations, conference calls, and social media. We can interact with the, you can say, customers and so on. So that is known as business communication. This one is the concept of business communication. Now next one is about effective business communication, effective communication cycle. Now what is effective communication cycle? Communication is commonly talked about in terms of cycle. Or you can say that can be the form of process, just like this one. So the principal characters are known as sender and receiver. You know very well. This one is about sender and receiver. Generally what we are used to of, like this one is sender, to which we can encode and decode the data, and when receiver is sending the data, he becomes the sender, and when sender is you can say giving the feedback and acknowledgement, he or she becomes, at that point becomes receiver. So sender and receiver, receiver and sender, definitely these are the two basic characters. Ideas are the, you can say, message that you have to convey. So this one is the message that you have to convey, is what happened when we convert these electrochemical impulses to sounds or writing words or sentences, so that can be transmitted. So this one is about encoding concept. And idea exists in the center brain as electrochemical neurons system, not the words. And encoding, that can be again when you have to, through words or sounds, when you have to convert into as per the through transmitter, when you want to encode that something, you can say some specific data or message. Decoding is what happened at the other end. The receiver brain convert the bits of sound back to the electrical impulses. ये थोड़ा सा आपके कंप्यूटर साइंसेज के स्टूडेंट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है. If communication succeed, the sender exact or close ideas and end up in the receiver's brain as electrical energy ready for decoding. So responsibility for successful communication lies within the person transmitting the message. So this one is the overall cycle, that is like you can say communication cycle. And again this one is about basic components, जिसको हम कहते हैं या communication process कहते हैं. तो again this one is the same thing, like data source and transmitter, that is about the sender end, this one is about receiver end, and this one is about the medium through which we can send the message from one point to another point. So this one is the concept through which we can say send the data, and sender and receiver both are the different ends and the parties through which we can send the data and through which we can receive the data. So this one is the concept through which we can say send the data source. You can say procedures, the data can be transmitted, and that can be any, you can say, person through which you can send the data. Transmitter encode the data, and destination, that is the place where you have to send the data, and receiver is the person who has to receive the data. And transmission medium, that can be anything like That can be any cable, that can be any, if we are, you can say transmitting or communicating something. So like whiteboard or whatever, through air we want to transmit some specific. So the number of mediums you know very well. So from your computer sciences network communication point of view, so this one is the same concept. So this one is about message and medium, and this one is you can say encoder and sender and decoder and receiver. So this one is about, we can say, general communication process. What is communication? What's the communication process, and so on. Now, next we have to study is about types of business communication. Now, what are the types of communication? There are two main types of business communication, like internal communication and so on. So, thank you so much for this session for first clip, students. In next slide or in next session, we will continue this slide. Thank you, students.